The first thing I'm always remember is the instructors. Like, they go beyond. Like, they teach you your basics, but they always like take out time to make sure you understand what they're telling you. Then even after the classes, they're always there. Like, the door is always open. They're like, yeah, come on in. With my students, it's about networking. I'm in IT, so networking is everything. I would not have passed this IT specialist program without the help of fellow students. Like, we came together on some of these projects, man. I tell you, we would do mock interviews with real companies, and they would give us feedback on what we did and how we need to improve and stuff. I did not know that he was gonna contact me like within the hour. So within the hour, I probably received maybe like 6 emails. I have received my welcome letters. I received all my paperwork, all my DocuSigns. I received all the information. And I brought the information to one of my instructors. And because I didn't believe it, I didn't know. I was like, man, did I just get hired on a mock interview? And they were looking, they're like, man, you just got hired on a mock interview. So yeah, man, it's a blessing. I feel like I was blessed to finish this program. So it's my job now to tell someone else, if I can do it, you can do it. So yeah, man, it was excellent.